everybody and welcome to HMC Her Majesty Cooks, the home of British cooking. So today we're going to make rhubarb and stem ginger crumble. So let's cook. Okay, so our ingredients, we have 150 grams of self-raising flour, 500 grams of rhubarb which has been washed and cut into 4cm, 1.5 inch lengths, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 60 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of finely chopped stem ginger, 60 grams of light soft brown sugar and 40 grams of porridge oats. So I've already put my rhubarb into an oven proof dish here. So into the rhubarb, the caster sugar, so just sprinkle it over the top. Like so. And then the ginger, I've used quite a lot here, 50 grams, but I absolutely love it. You know, the warmth that you get from the ginger is just lovely with the rhubarb. So I think, you know, if you're going to put it in, you might as well taste it. So that should be okay there. Let's just get that off the spoon. So then you onto your topping. So you've got your flour in the bowl. Pop in your butter, and then just rub the butter into the flour till it resembles fine breadcrumbs. So that's just rubbed in nicely there, got some sort of fine breadcrumbs. So sprinkle in the brown sugar and the porridge oats and just give that a little mix together. So it's all nicely even through. And then just sprinkle it over the top of your rhubarb. It will go just to the top. I think this is about 1.5 litre dish for this amount, so that just fits nicely on top. Just tamp it down a bit. So that'll be ready for the oven. So what I like to do is put it on a baking tray, because the rhubarb, sometimes it does spill over the top a little bit where it's get quite a lot of liquid coming up. But so I'm just going to cover it to start with some foil to stop it from burning. Okay, so this is ready for the oven now, so pop it in there for 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the foil off just to help crisp up the top. So that's going to go in 190 conventional, 180 fan or gas 5. Okay, we'll have a look at the rhubarb crumble now and take the foil off, hopefully. Just be careful how you take the foil off, don't burn yourself. And then just pop it back in for 10 minutes. So hopefully the crumble's ready now. We'll get it out of the oven. Yeah, that's done. Just pop it in there to cool down. That's what I love about rhubarb crumbles, that the liquid all just makes it all sticky and yummy. It will settle down obviously because it's boiling hot now, so just leave that to cool down. I love lashings of custard with my crumble. Why not have a look at my homemade custard video? I hope you enjoy your rhubarb crumble, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are uploading new videos every week. So I'm off for a cup of tea. See you soon. Bye.